Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tech buzzword. It's a massive business opportunity. In 2025, almost every industry is being touched by AI. And while most people are only using it casually to play with chatbots or generate fun images, the smartest entrepreneurs are building real businesses with it. Imagine having a tool that works for you 24/7, never complains, and costs almost nothing compared to hiring employees. That's the power of AI. Today, I am going to show you how you can take AI tools and actually turn them into a profitable business, even if you're starting with no money and no prior experience. The first thing to understand is why AI presents such a unique opportunity right now. Think about how the internet in the late 90s created millionaires out of people who knew how to build simple websites, or how social media in the 2010s gave birth to influencers and digital agencies. AI is the next revolution. Companies big and small are racing to adopt it, but most of them don't know how to actually use it effectively. That's where regular people like you and me come in. The demand for AI-powered services is skyrocketing, and you don't need to be a software engineer to take advantage of it. All you need is creativity, problem-solving skills, and the willingness to learn how to apply AI to real-world problems. There are many different ways you can turn AI into income. One of the most accessible is freelancing with AI. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic to provide content writing, email marketing, or ad copy services. Instead of writing everything yourself, you use AI to speed up the process and deliver high-quality work faster than traditional freelancers. Clients don't care if you used AI. They care about getting results. The same applies to graphic design. Tools like MidJourney or Leonardo AI allow you to create logos, posters, and digital art in minutes. You could launch a gig on Fiverr or Upwork and start taking orders, with AI doing most of the heavy lifting. Another path is creating an agency powered by AI. Imagine running a social media marketing agency where AI handles 80% of the work. You can generate captions, design graphics, analyze performance, and even create short-form videos with tools like Runway AI or Canva's AI features. Small businesses will happily pay for consistent content. And since AI lets you scale, you can serve more clients than a traditional agency without hiring a huge team. Then there's the world of digital products. You can use AI to create ebooks, online courses, or design templates and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. For example, someone could use ChatGPT to generate a guidebook on fitness, pair it with AI-generated illustrations, and sell it as a digital download. Once created, these products become passive income streams. The upfront effort is minimal compared to traditional product creation, and AI keeps speeding up the process. If you're more technical, or you're willing to collaborate with a developer, you can step into the SaaS world. Small AI-powered apps are popping up everywhere. Tools for real estate agents to analyze markets, apps for writers to brainstorm ideas, and even platforms that generate personalized nutrition plans. You don't need to compete with OpenAI or Google. You just need to focus on niche problems. For instance, an AI tool that helps e-commerce sellers generate product descriptions instantly could be worth thousands to a single store owner. Of course, success comes down to choosing the right niche. Not every AI idea is profitable, so you need to validate your market. Start by looking for industries where people are already spending money. Businesses in marketing, real estate, health, and education are excellent candidates. Then, look for repetitive or time-consuming tasks that AI could handle more efficiently. Finally, check online communities like Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups. Are people complaining about these problems? If yes, then you've found a real opportunity. For example, teachers and online course creators often struggle to create lesson plans and materials. An AI service that automates lesson creation could save them hours every week. Real estate agents need property descriptions, market reports, and lead follow-ups. AI can handle all of that. Content creators need thumbnails, video scripts, and social media posts. Again, perfect tasks for AI. When you think this way, you realize that AI isn't the business itself. It's simply the engine that powers your business. Once you've landed your first few clients or made your first sales, the next step is scaling. This is where AI shines, because automation allows you to serve more people without adding more work. For example, if you run a social media agency, you can create content calendars for 10 clients at once using AI scheduling tools. If you're selling digital products, you can bundle multiple AI-generated items together to increase your income per customer. If you're offering freelancing services, you can delegate client communication to a virtual assistant while AI handles most of the production. Scaling also means building a brand around your services. Instead of just being a freelancer on a marketplace, build a website, create social media profiles, and showcase your work. Use AI to generate case studies, testimonials, or even demo videos that highlight the results you've achieved. This builds trust, which allows you to charge higher prices and attract more serious clients. Now, it's important to avoid common mistakes. One of the biggest errors is trying to sell AI itself. Businesses don't care about whether you use ChatGPT, MidJourney, or any other tool. What they care about is the result. Focus on selling solutions, not technology. Another mistake is failing to validate your idea. Just because you think an AI service is cool doesn't mean people will pay for it. Always test demand before going all in. And finally, don't depend on a single AI tool. The landscape is changing rapidly. New tools are released almost every month. Stay flexible, keep experimenting, and always be ready to adapt. At the end of the day, turning AI tools into a business is about taking action. Don't get stuck in research mode forever. Start small. Pick one AI tool you're comfortable with. Identify one real problem you can solve, and create one simple offer. Maybe it's writing blog posts for small businesses, maybe it's designing logos for startups, or maybe it's building custom automations for e-commerce stores. Whatever it is, start now. The people who move early in this AI wave will benefit the most. So, if you're watching this, think about where AI fits into your skills and passions. Do you like writing? Use AI to speed it up. Do you like design? Use AI to create stunning graphics. Do you like business systems? Use AI to automate them. There is no shortage of opportunities. It's just a matter of choosing one and running with it. That's how you turn AI tools into a profitable business in 2025. It's not about being the most technical person in the room. It's about being the person who sees how AI can solve real-world problems and then building a business around that solution. Start today, experiment, and grow step by step. Remember, don't just use AI, own the business that uses AI.